Yo, ones and ones, welcome back to the channel, Joan TV. Yeah, next episode, the panoramic in the morning, yeah, same way again. Looking at that, yo, that is it. That work. So, look at these. The on the farm, you know. How the work we do, you know, people. Yeah, all purpose, you know. All the work we do. Pan the work. Yes. So look at these. So we have beautiful plants. No, it's not everybody use it, you know, but it's the healing of the nation. That is it. Beautiful, man. I wish you know guys could have smell what me I smell. Take a look. Monster. Huh? Comment down there and let me know who want peace when it's ready. That is it. That work. Man. Natural weed them and natural herbs. Yeah. Beautiful. Them have give off a aroma in the morning. Why? Nice. Yes, man. Good old Sensimania. Going in my backyard. Good old Sensimania. Going in my backyard. Our stock, I sense more than one stock. We have. Alright, come go down this side. Want a look weed up, you know, people, but on the grass man go fast. Show this one thick. Smell it. That will work. That is it. Beautiful plants. And then have some ginger. I reap some whole of ginger yesterday, but I never record it. So this I suck at them and plant back after the reaping. Yeah. And I'm almost ready, you know, people. Almost ready. Yes, man. It's a lifestyle moment. Look at that. And it's like deja vu catch me in the morning. Right now, like me see that moment already. No. All me talk now, same way come like a deja vu, like me see this already. Yeah. Swear to Father God. Deja vu happened to me in the morning now. How come? First, me have done nothing like this. Put up. And it come like me do it already. Can that be explained? Can anyone explain that to me? Or I me high? I me get high off of the drugs. Get high off of the herbs. Medicinal. Pineapple Express. To me, we are wild color loose, same way. Yeah. Good view them have, and look on the view where them have. Hey, focus. Yes, man. the aroma, people, the smell. What them I give off, man. Magnificent. This man, that's a easy mellow vibes in the morning. Yes. So you have a sprinkler. Turn on a sprinkler and sprinkler water them. Turn on the sprinkler and go on. I want to see what I want. And the sprinkler turn on. So, because I wanna, I'm gonna put on, I wanna see water the ginger them. You know. So water for them food, you know. Water and sunlight. Them deal with. Right, guys, look at that. Sprinkler work. Yeah. So right around the board. Nice plant tree here too. So I'm gonna plant tree. I'm gonna three of them now, so shoot. Yeah. Clean them up. Yeah. Sprinkler at work. That is it. That will work. I don't know a rainbow farm already. And the water with the sunlight, not sure. Just 1 hour ago. Yes, man, at the end of life, you know. Joan TV and lifestyle. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yes, man. You don't give them too much water still, but that's a show, no. You know? So them get some water, yes, you know, as you see. If anybody will know about them things, you know, you see them a beer and them a fruit up, so they don't want too much water. Yeah, they don't really need too much water right now. They need the sunlight if you go and stay down hard up. So they can already see, you know? So now the palm up. Yes, man. Yeah, man. Nice. They are with nature. Peaceful. And it's well quiet. That is it, man. Nature. Alright. Ease off the water, look at about them. Don't want too much water. Yeah, man, I turn off the water for them now. So, just listen. Just listen for a minute. Quiet. Calm. That's nature. Only thing you hear a couple of birds. When they're too far from the road, doesn't you can't see the view. But other from that, it's beautiful, man. Relaxing. Mm. So that is it for now, ones and ones. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Joan TV and lifestyle.